That's a baby. The one that's fluttering her wings? That's a baby. You see that? Red-headed sparrow. So cute. We had cardinals here before, right? You watching it? Watching them, mommy. Watching. Look at the little baby. So I gotta feed the baby. Yeah, gotta feed the baby. Just that little bit of seeds helps a couple of little birds here or there. I'm happy. It goes off into the grass. Look at that baby, how cute. And he's flying already. Can you see him? Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Tinsley and Lizzy were sitting there on the food container box. Kibble box. Right, Tinsley? I know I call her Tinsley, but her real name is Tinsley. Tinsley's easier. Look how cute. You like that birdie? You outside? Okay. It's cute. Both of them were sitting up there because they heard them chirping. The girls heard the baby chirping left and right. She's watching.